Hello and welcome back. It has been a long since I uploaded last 4 days, and it's a bit of an update video too. So I have been more clarified that I actually haven't learned that much, and it's because I have been a lot focused on YouTube and stuff like that. So now I'm going to get a bit different approach to robotics and YouTube and stuff like that. But I will still upload a ton of videos, and you can follow the journey, and we can learn together. And you can, maybe if you're new, you can start now, and we can see, you know, who knows the most, uh, or something like that in the end. And yeah, but no less, no more. Let's get into it. This is project 7. So we got the project 6 built on the breadboard, and the Arduino board still on. So yeah, let's pull it off. So now it's off. Now we just need to assemble it by the book. So let's get into it. I do also have a Discord that you can join if you want a community. We are four members in right now, and it's great. I think two of them from other countries, such as Indian, and the other one was from, I think it was United Kingdom, the UK. But yeah, nice people. Come in and say hello. And the reason why you don't really learn that much when you do YouTube is because you're focused on like filming yourself, creating this video, so I have been working now in a month right now, and I got this starter kit, and I'm not even done yet. But I think that mostly also because of my fault and my incompetence, right? But I'm going to change that today. So there's going to be a new side of the channel starting from today at. So yeah, I know. So that was it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I just made a keyboard that have a sound. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.